Seek the Lord while he may be found. Call upon him while he is near. Let the wicked forsake his way, and the unrighteous man his thoughts. Let him return to the Lord, and he will have mercy on him, and to our God, for he will abundantly pardon. For my thoughts are not your thoughts, nor are your ways my ways, says the Lord. For as the heavens are higher than the earth, so are my ways higher than your ways, and my thoughts than your thoughts. Lumapit kayo sa Panginoon at tumawag sa Kanya habang naririyan pa siya para tulungan kayo. Talikuran na ninyo ang masasama ninyong pag-uugali at baguhin ang masasama ninyong pag-iisip. Magbalik loob na kayo sa Panginoon na ating Diyos, dahil kaawaan at patatawarin niya kayo. Sinabi ng Panginoon, ang pag-iisip ko ay hindi katulad ng pag-iisip ninyo, at ang pamamaraan ko ay hindi katulad ng pamamaraan ninyo. Kung gaano kalayo ang langit sa lupa, ganoon din kalayo ang aking pamamaraan at pag-iisip kaysa inyo.